Hello students, welcome to this series of science lessons. In this chapter, we will study about family. We already know that members of family are related to one another and they live together. Sometimes, members of a family leave the family for various reasons like marriage, job, education, and for many other reasons. Over the years, we can notice some changes in the structure of a family. In this lesson, we are going to understand the importance of family. I hope you already know the importance of family. Family is very important. Get introduced to your family using family tree. We will make use of family tree to represent the members of our family and how they are related to each other. Develop a skill in identifying relationships based on science. We will see this later. Identify the changes in structure of a family. Family could be categorized as two types of family. One is nuclear family and one is joint family. Understand the feature of nuclear and joint families. Family tree. Let us imagine there is a person called Manu. Manu is introducing his family. Before moving on to family tree, now let us use what are the notations or what are the signs used in the family tree. We will use a square or a rectangle for male, circle for female. For husband and wife, we will use square or rectangle and circle connected with a line. Children born to the father and mother is represented as a square or rectangle, a circle connecting a line between them, and in between the line we will extend one more line representing the children. Here we can see the family tree of Manu. In the first generation, Ramappa and Bhagyamma are husband and wife. Ramappa and Bhagyamma has two children, Ravi and Raju. Ravi is married to Vinuta. Ravi and Vinuta has two children, Rakshit and Prema. Rakshit is a baby boy, Prema is a baby girl. Later, Rakshit is married to Radha. Rakshit and Radha have two children, Priya and Manu. Priya is a baby girl, Manu is a baby boy. Still, Prema is unmarried. This is about Ravi's family. Now let us look at Raju's family. Raju is married to Ramya. Raju and Ramya have two children, Pallavi and Suma. Both are female. Suma is married to Sharan. Suma and Sharan have two children, Kiran and Kirtana. Kiran is baby boy, Kirtana is baby girl. Pallavi is not yet married. As we can see in the above example, there are four generations in the family. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them have meals together. They celebrate festivals together. They get more love and affection from their great grandfather and great grandmother. All of them treat with respect. Family members respect their elders' guidance. This type of family with more than two generations living together in the same house is called as joint family. Here we can see Manu is living in a joint family. There is one more type of family. In Prema's family, there are only 4 members, that is Prema, Ashok and their 2 children. Prema's mother-in-law and father-in-law. This means Ashok's father and mother live in a different city. This is a small family. This type of small family where only 2 generations living together is called as nuclear family. So what is nuclear family? The word nuclear is derived from a Latin word nucleus, which means core. In simple terms, core means something very important. Here we can see Prema and Ashok are married together and they have 2 children. And Ashok's father and mother, or Prema's father-in-law and mother-in-law, live in a different city. and Ashok and Prema live in some other city. This type of family is called as nuclear family, where there is only two generations, father, mother, and their children. A point to be taken while preparing a family tree. In a family tree, the names of children of that family from eldest to the youngest is written first, then the names of their husband or wife are written. In case of the joint family, Manu is referred as Ramappa, Ravi, Rakshit, Manu, or we can say Ramappa, Ravi, Prema, Manu. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore, under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.